Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cebuana, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook potato patties in simple and easy ways. Please keep on watching and please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. God bless everyone. Thank you so much. Our first procedure, guys, is boil the cut potatoes in about 2.5 minutes. Just keep on boiling. After boiling, let's mash the potatoes like this. Next, let's add the next ingredients. Let's put 1.5 cup of flour. And then let's put the sliced scallions. And then let's put the seasoning, whatever you like. Whatever you have in your country, you can put seasoning. And then let's put a white pepper. A little bit of a white pepper. And then let's add the ground black pepper. Pinch of ground black pepper, just like that. And then let's put 2 pieces of eggs and 2 pieces of eggs, and just mix it. And also let's add a pinch of salt and keep on mixing. And next, let's add the sesame oil. 1 spoon of sesame oil, and I think this is done and now ready to form this into a patties size. So now here we go. So let's cook this in a little bit of butter and fry it in a slow cook. Let's cook this about 3 to 5 minutes, and this is it. Almost done. And there you have it. Cha-da! My patties, potato patties. Very healthy and very yummy. Smells is really good. You must try this, guys. Very simple and very affordable.